Hi friends, welcome back to Imagination Station.
The sneezing sunflower. Spring had arrived in Petal Patch Garden, and all the flowers were blooming happily. All except Sunny the sunflower, who had a big problem. He couldn't stop sneezing. Achoo-oo. Every time he sneezed, bees dropped their pollen. Forms did backflips. And poor Daisy 3 rows down got blown into a watering can. The other flowers held a meeting. "This can't go on," sniffled Lily, wiping petals from her eyes. "His sneezes are strong enough to launch a ladybug." Sunny groaned. "I don't mean to sneeze. I think I'm allergic to my own pollen." Everyone gasped. A sunflower allergic to himself. "That's tragically hilarious," said a passing grasshopper. To help Sunny, the garden team tried. A leaf-made tissue hat, minty mud masks, even a lavender-scented scarf knitted by spiders, very itchy. Nothing worked, until Clever Clover the climbing vine suggested, why not plant a patch of sneeze-free herbs around him? Maybe their scent will calm his pollen. So they planted chamomile, basil, mint, and one dramatic garlic bulb named Gary. The next morning, Sunny felt better. The sneezes slowed from achoo to a gentle chirp. The bees returned. Daisy got out of the watering can. Gary the garlic cried tears of joy and smell. Sunny beamed. "I still bloom, just a little more politely now." The end.
Like, subscribe and share for more.